Hello everyone, this is Maria aka Gachko Pro Adventures. In today's video I will be reacting to the ultimate funny dog compilation. The original title of this video is Try Not to Laugh at This Ultimate Funny Dog video. I'm just going to react to half of it because it is a very lengthy video. It's about 20 something minutes, and I just want to make this video maybe between 10 and 15 minutes. So anyways, this is very close to my heart. I do own 3 dogs that travels with me. As you all know, I do a lot of travel videos with my dogs. I have 2 miniature schnauzers and 1 Maltipoo. The Maltipoo is a puppy and still very naughty. So I probably, this is something that I'm, very close to my heart because I am very passionate and have a very strong love for animals. I grew up with animals. I grew up with dogs, cats, parakeets, and also rabbits. So this is something that I know I would enjoy. So let's have a good laugh, and hopefully we could all laugh together. Okay, this is my reaction for this video. Okay, here we go. I go kayaking with my dogs too. Oh my god. Oh no. My dogs almost. Oh no. Oh my god. My dogs almost did that to me. Oh, this is something Gizmo would do. So cute. Aw, the other dog is cheating. It's cheating. Something Coco would do.
And I found a 4-leaf clover. Charlie, look, Mom found a 4-leaf clover. Want to smell it? No, you can't eat it.
Oh, he had such an innocent look on him. Oh, I would be too scared to have my dogs in the back of my truck, only because they might jump out. Oh my god. This is something I would probably do with my dogs. Oh my gosh. Oh, what is that? Oh, this is so okay. I wasn't sure what that piece of object that was sticking out. Oh, so cute. Sorry, my internet is really bad after the rain. It's kind of buffering. Oh my goodness. I would get dizzy. Aw. Oh. Oh no. Oh my god. This dog has lungs in him. Oh no. What's going on? Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my gosh. Oh. This is making me sweat. Oh my goodness. Sometimes it's kind of hard to react when your internet is kind of buffering. So it's kind of interfering with what's going to happen next. This dog can really jump high. Aw, so cute. What is that? Oh my gosh, look at that look. Look at the eye. Oh my goodness. Aw, so cute. Oh no. Oh, let me tell you something about the dogs in their costume. Something about having to put clothes on them or costumes. They become immobilized. Somehow it just makes them freeze up. It's like they don't know how to react or what to do when they have clothes on. And it's like when you first put it on, they're just like stiff they're really stiff. I don't know what to say, but they are funny when it comes to clothes. So little Houdini here. That's something that Gadget did when he was a puppy. Oh. Ooh. Now, if we tried to do that as humans, we would break our back. Where is he? Oh my gosh.
So sit, smile. Yes, smile. Yes.
Aww.
You're funny.
My dogs, they smile with their tongue out. They wag their tails. They're like this. That's how my dogs smile. It's like his wing. It's making me. Oh my goodness. Sounds like a little hog.
She's fine. She's just playing with you.
Aww.
That's how she plays. Here she
Uh-oh.
goes. She's gonna get you.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh my gosh. I hope they flushed the toilet. Oh my goodness. I hope he wasn't in pee. Oh. This is something my dog Gizmo would do. Yes. Oh no. Oh my goodness, so destructive. I would be so scared if that dog got out. Oh my goodness. Oh. He's determined to get out. Oh, so cute. Like a little snake coming out.
I love you.
Aww.
I love you.
I love you. Oh my goodness. That is so cute. Oh, look at that face. He's snoring away. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm going to be pausing because sometimes it does show little ads. I'm not sure if that's copyright stuff, you know. So it is. I hope I don't get CPR on it. Okay. What's this?
Sunday. What are you doing?
Oh. Oh no.
Whose birthday is it? Is it Levi's birthday?
So cute.
Raise your hand if it's your birthday.
Aww. Oh no. Uh-oh. Oh, look at him. So cute. Oh, poor dog. He says your feet are too heavy. Oh, so cute. Oh, he's loving. Look at that tail wagging. Oh, he's enjoying it. It's like a big,
You don't get your
huge
nails
massage
cut?
for him.
You don't want to? Right.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh. Aw. I love you. I don't know about you. I was thinking of buying one of those Roomba vacuum because my dogs do make a mess, but I'm scared my new puppy will probably tear that Roomba apart, and I don't want to waste no $300-$400 vacuum there. You know, it would be a scary thing. Anyways, yeah, that's something I would not. I really want one, but not good if you have a puppy. Oh, oh no! Oh my gosh, he smashed his. Oh my gosh, that was loud. Oh, Baby's so cute. Here. Oh my god. He didn't like that. Oh. Aww. Oh, too cute. Such a cute. Aw. Now look how this dog stands. That's a champion breed right there. You know, I have a champion breed miniature schnauzer gadget. He stands like that. Look at that eyes. Oh, poor thing got dizzy. Oh my gosh.
I said come.
Oh.
Come.
Such attitude. Oh my goodness, so cute.
Macy, come here. Macy. Macy, come here.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, so cute. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. Now, that other dog with their boots on, oh my gosh, seriously. Dogs cannot, they have a hard time reacting to new clothes, new shoes. It's like they don't know what to do. It's like, you see how they walk? They walk so awkwardly. It's so funny. It's like my dogs, they just stiff up. They don't even move. They don't do anything. Something my dogs would do. Oh, a little jaywalker there. Oh my goodness.
This is Lola.
Oh, so cute.
Coat for the first time.
Oh, the clothes are a little too heavy for him. Poor thing.
Get off.
Oh, oh, this reminds me of my. Okay, these dogs remind me of my two dogs. I have the same miniature schnauzers with the same color. So this right here is gonna be. It will probably really hit my, touch my heart. Aw, that was it. What was that? Oh, that was a funny noise. Oh, so sleepy. Oh my goodness. It's too relaxing for him. Okay. Here's this dog. Another clothes.
Always trying on her new snowsuit. I'm gonna think maybe it's a fail.
Oh my goodness. Oh, crazy. Oh my goodness. I hope he doesn't pull him to the water. Look at that look. Wow, look at that. Oh no. Ugh. Now, if we did that and we kind of, that would twist our human back. Aw, such a sweet cat. Oh, look at that. It's amazing how dogs could go underneath or animals could go in tight spots and stuff like that. Aw, so cute. Look at. Aw. Now that's what can make your heart melt when you come home and your dog's kind of like me. When I got my haircut, they looked at me like, like they're trying to figure out if that I'm their mommy, or and they're like, they keep to it. Anyways, that's cute. Oh my goodness. Aw, yes, dogs love belly rub. My dogs like their forehead to be rubbed. Oh, something Gizmo would do.
Steph, can I see the video?
Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Oh, I would be scared to be mowing the grass and the dogs are. I'm just scared they might get. I don't know. This is so cute. Oh, oh no. Ay. Not a good thing.
What are you doing?
That's something my dogs would do. It's like playing Twister for him. Aww. They're so cute. Now, I don't think I could ever have my dogs near any type of birds or ducks. I would be scared that they may attack them. Okay, this dog is pretty well behaved.
They should scare the ducks.
Oh.
Uh-oh, I think she's gonna go in. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Right.
Well, I'm gonna stop for now because I don't want it to be too lengthy of a video. So anyways, it's already 14 minutes long. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this reaction video. It is animals are so heartwarming, and it's something that everybody should have because they do bring happiness into your life. Yeah, as much as sometimes they could be naughty, oh my gosh, they just smile at you and then you just forget what they did, and that's something they just melt my heart every time. I mean, I do have a puppy right now, and it's probably a puppy, and my other two dogs never did what my puppy's doing now, and so it's a bit of an adjustment for me, but I'm telling you, but boy, when Gizmo looks at me in my eyes, I forget exactly what he's doing. I forgot what he did, and he just melts your heart. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video, this reaction video. It was fun. I love doing. The animals are it's a passionate love of mine. I love animals, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you, and you guys have a nice day. And don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. And also click on the notification bell for more upcoming videos. Thank you guys. I love you.